Okay, so we're gonna play Misty, and this is just gonna show you some. We're not gonna do the melody, just the chords on Misty. So it's gonna be E flat. I can do them with both hands or whatever, but like the left hand, E flat major 7. Obviously, you're gonna have to follow along on your real book. I do B flat minor 7, second inversion. So F, A flat, B flat, D flat, and A, then it goes to the E flat, A flat major 7, A flat minor 7, D flat 7, back to E flat, C minor 7, F minor 7, B flat 7, G minor 7, C 7, F minor 7, B flat 7. Obviously this is for people that already know how to play jazz, but kind of give them a little bit of ideas, F minor 7, E flat 7, A flat major 7, A flat minor 7, D flat 7, E flat major 7, 1, 6, 2, 5, and then it goes to the second ending, which is E flat 6, D flat 7, but in the melody they have the D flat 9. They have the E flat in the melody, which makes it the 9. And then E flat major 7, E flat minor 7. Then you go to E flat 7 flat 9. So instead of just the E flat, you play E. That's the way you can get the flat 9. By having just one hand, you can just bring your pinky over to the E. Gives you the flat 9. A flat major 7, A minor 7, D7, F7, G minor 7, C7 flat 9 again, F minor 7, E flat major 7, so basically with 2 5s, which you have to know what you're doing. I'm going to put this over here and kind of show you. So if you have, if you had Misty right here, that's the one, major 7, 2, 5 in the key of A flat. Okay, and I even wrote the keys up here. 2, 5, 1 in the key of A flat. And then over here is key of G flat, A flat minor 7, D flat 7. Then it goes to E flat again. This is a 1, 6, 2, 5. In case you're not sure what that means, these are the numbers of the scale where the chords are built. These are all in the same key. 1, 6, 2, 5. Very common progression. And then 2, 5. But I really count this as a 3, 6 kind of in the key of E flat. So 3, 6, 2, 5. It goes back to the top. Second ending, 1, I don't really count this chord, E flat major 7, still. This whole line, 2, 5, 1, and A flat. This, A minor 7, D7, 2, 5, in G. And then the F7 is just kind of like a passing chord. And it's like 3, 6, 2, 5 again in E flat, E flat. Then this is the A section. So it does the A section, the B section, and then the A section again. So it's basically the same thing. So that's pretty much it. And chord-wise, I know this is kind of like jumping around, but that's, this is how people do lessons. It's really the best way to teach someone, is just kind of showing you a bunch of different things at the same time. So this right here, when you get to the B flat minor 7, now any 2, 5 on piano, if you're not using tensions, I'm using second inversion right now. It's always common fingerings to go to the 5 chord. You always keep either this side or this side, depending on what inversion you're using. So I'm going B flat minor 7, E flat 7. So I moved these 2 over to get to E flat 7, and then I moved these 2 over to get to the A flat major 7, which is the 2, 5, 1. It's really easy. And then A flat minor 7, I'm going to do the same thing. 2, 5, but it doesn't resolve to the 1. And then 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 6, substitute, because if it was a real 6 it would be minor 7, but it's going 3, it's going to be dominant 7, like that. So that's the basic idea with chords. But if you were improvising over it, now I had the key centers, right? Here's, I'm going to play E flat major 7, just going to play major scales. Then this key is A flat, G flat, E flat, so that was without any tensions at all. And I played major scales, kept it totally diatonic. But if you wanted, this is another thing with jazz. So if you want to make the stuff altered, then you start throwing in some other scales, altered scales. And it always happens on the 5 chord, the 2, 5. So you make that like a, you know, an altered chord is anything with a sharp 9, flat 9, sharp 5, flat 5. So you go. See how different it sounds. So that's the basic idea of chords, playing diatonically, soloing over it, and playing with altered, I mean, as a crash course.